Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the session number 10 from the playlist of magnetism and matter. The topic is the geometric and the magnetic length of a bar magnet. So, this is a bar magnet here, and this is the south pole of it, and this is the north pole of it. So, the geometric length is basically the actual length of a bar magnet. So, here G is the actual length of the bar magnet as shown in this figure, and here L is the magnetic length, which is equal to the distance between the north pole and the south pole of a bar magnet as shown in this figure. So here the magnetic length is taken as L and the geometric length is taken as G, and there is an approximate relation between the magnetic length and the geometric length, which is given by this formula, that is L is equal to 5 by 6 into G. So here L is what? It is the magnetic length and G is the geometric length. Now if in any question we are given the geometric length, then we can find the magnetic moment of that bar magnet by using this formula, that is M is equal to small m into the magnetic length. Now the magnetic length is equal to 5 by 6 into G into G. So if the geometric length of a bar magnet is known to us, then we can find the magnetic moment by using this formula. Here small m is the pole strength of the bar magnet. So in the next session, that is in the session number 11 and in the session number 12 also, I will be taking up two very simple questions which will be based on this topic of geometric and the magnetic length of a bar magnet. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.